The SIRIM-Fraunhofer Programme has been recognized as one of the key government initiatives to embrace technology in catalyzing the growth of SMEs. The program aims to improve productivity of SMEs in manufacturing and manufacturing-related services through technology penetration and upgrading. To fulfill this objective, SIRIM has put in place the SIRIM Industrial Innovation Model, which leverage on the Fraunhofer model's experience.
The SIRIM-Fraunhofer Programme comprises of 4 main activities. They are implementation of innovation management, increased technology uptake, nurture growth of small and micro enterprises, and cross-cutting programs. SIRIM Industrial Research plays the leading role in spearheading these efforts and delivering tailored technology solutions to the SMEs.
SIRIM-Fraunhofer is a program that has been mandated to us by the government. It was started in 2015. The objective of this program is to increase the productivity of SMEs through technology penetration. Our recipients are SMEs in manufacturing sector.
Saya Zakaria bin Yusuf merupakan pengasas syarikat ini dan juga pengarah urusan. Sememangnya daripada dulu sampai hari ini, alhamdulillah, minuman ringan ataupun minuman berkarbonat, soft drink Maduria, semenjak 1990 hingga hari ini, dia banyak didapati di pasaran luar bandar, termasuk kedai-kedai Felda seluruh Malaysia. Program ini mula perancangannya 3 tahun lepas. Ini suatu starting point kepada arah industri 4.0. Ianya cukup bagus kerana mengelak daripada kesilapan manusia dalam mengawal kualiti. Pasal minuman ni, bahan mentah utama dia air. Air. Kalau air ni tidak dijaga dengan betul, dari segi dia punya TDS, bakteria, pH dia memberi kesan. Jadi pencegahan sebelum berlaku silap.
The water treatment plant is Internet of Things IoT web-based portal system. This system was developed to monitor and to measure the pH, chlorine dioxide, hardness and TDS of the water treatment plant. They can monitor from their handphone.
Ya, saya tidak dapat dengan kata-kata lah. Saya pun tergaman bila SIRIM meluluskan grant, matching grant dengan tim mereka, kumpulan mereka yang berdedikasi develop sistem ini secara terperinci. Jadi jutaan terima kasih saya pada SIRIM dan semua yang terlibat dalam program ini. Ini merupakan inspirasi saya dan syarikat. Kita nak menerajui minuman halal, menerusi inovasi yang berterusan.
For this program, it started with a technology audit, in which we identify what are the issues being faced by the industry with regard to their production processes, what are their technical issues, what are their hindrances, what are their hiccups. The findings from the technology audit we use to determine what are the suitable technology intervention projects that we need to do in order to intervene and to overcome their issue.
My name is Miss Ng Kang Si. I'm the General Manager in Promoy Plastic Industry. Basically, our company is a contract manufacturer for plastic molding injection. We can produce the plastic part for you, we can make the mold for you, we can also do assembly for you. We are the one-stop trusted plastic partner for you. We used to have problem in terms of manpower, and also the output wasn't really predictable because it was human dependent. From there, we understand what kind of problem that we have, and SIRIM team was very helpful and came to us and suggest certain proposals to help with our problem, especially on productivity. With that, we managed to collaborate with SIRIM-Fraunhofer Programme, and they managed to help me to implement robotic arms and also auto roller for my production. So with the Fraunhofer Programme, we managed to implement the 5-axis robotic arm where we don't have to depending on the operator to take the part out from the machine. So it's now automated. I'd like to take this opportunity to special thanks to SIRIM-Fraunhofer Programme and also the cooling team who helped me to come across with all the problems I have.
SIRIM has designed its technology solutions to ensure that they fit the needs of the SMEs. It is about using the most appropriate technology and the one that can be utilized mostly effectively in the context of the Malaysian SMEs. In short, it is about innovating the technology to suit the requirements of the industry. Our teams work very closely with the SMEs to ensure that their needs are met and the solutions offered effectively addresses their manufacturing issues. To date, SIRIM has implemented technology intervention projects for more than 1,900 SMEs in various industry sectors such as food and beverages, electrical and electronics, machinery equipment, medical devices, consumer products, and many more.
Hello everybody, my name is Brian Liu. I'm the MD of Laser Industries Sdn Bhd. Our company has been operating for over 34 years now. We have always been a very traditional company, mainly manual stamping and the traditional way of doing production. We are also new to automation, and this is where SIRIM started to come in. We have been working together with SIRIM to start developing more automation and more advanced method of managing the production flow. And this is just the first phase. We hope to work together with SIRIM to go into the second phase and third phase in the future.
Epsilon Group started in the year of 1996. In the year 2007, Epsilon Medical Devices was formed to manufacture 100% disposable medical devices.
Epsilon Medical Devices Sdn Bhd is one of them who have benefited from the technology audit. Their productivity was highlighted through development of water sachet machine.
The Fraunhofer program is very helpful for the SMEs, and I hope this program will continue to benefit all the other SMEs in Malaysia.
We receive a tremendous response, good response and feedback from the companies, right? So a lot of companies which embarked on our program has come back to us saying that okay, they have improved tremendously, their production rate has gone up to 6 times, they are now capable of venturing to new markets, right? So, and a lot of companies has come back to us and asking for a second and third program, but of course we have to be fair to, we have to serve as many companies as possible, right? So the way I see it, the program is very beneficial to the SMEs, and we do hope that we receive continuous funding for this program.
We are positive that at the rate of the program is moving now, and with the continuous support from the government, SIRIM-Fraunhofer Programme will continue to play its crucial role in assisting the SMEs in the years to come.
Many more SMEs are now eager to participate, but we can only serve as many as we are financially able to. Continuous funding from the government is therefore a key factor, and we hope that the program's record speaks well of what it can accomplish in the future. Alhamdulillah, the program continues to receive support from the government when it approves new allocation for its implementation in RMK 12 from 2021 to 2025.